I'm Harvey Gora. Welcome to this rather unassuming 3-bedroom end-terrace property which we've converted into 4 self-contained flats. Let's have a look. The Property CEO Mentorship Program has given me the tools and the step-by-step guide of how to carry out a development. So the learnings were immense, and I applied that to make sure that this project we complete without any hiccups, which is what we've done. So we've rolled up the red carpet for yourselves, and on the ground floor we first come to flat 1. Walking through to the communal staircase area, access through to the rear garden for everybody there. We started in property about 10 years ago, now a portfolio landlord, and property development was the natural progression into adding value to properties. We're here at number 42 Corbit Street, our 8th project we've now completed. The valuation has come in at 550,000. That means that the profit on GDV is 33%. We were over the moon. The ground floor extension actually extends back 18 metres, giving us an amazing flat 2, which has its own garden to itself. And then there's also a communal garden for everybody else. I was introduced to Property CEO through the Fast Track program. I just wanted to learn as much as I could and make sure we don't make any mistakes, which is why we joined the 12-month mentorship program. And I'm still 3 years on, part of the Developers Club as well. Throughout the Property CEO Mentorship Program, there's been so many highlights. Being surrounded by experts has been critical. The content was unbelievable, very thorough. The online training, amazing amount of content there. And then we'd meet up on a monthly basis. So any issues we'd be able to share amongst each other and find a solution. We were always going to hold these for long-term rental. So just having a modern, high-end feel. We've spent extra on the flooring, and just we choose to furnish all our flats and just nice furniture. The highlights for me is really gaining momentum and confidence, having the right people around me, and it was particularly important in value engineering the numbers so that we are very cost effective in producing high-end flats but at very reasonable prices. So we'll walk through to the bedroom area. Storage is very, very important, so we're building as much storage as we can. It's got beautiful Veluxes. Pretty much they got tenanted immediately within a week or 2. Now that this project is complete, already I've got my eye on a conversion of a light industrial property into 14 units. But one of the main reasons for joining Property CEO, not only for developments going forward, but we'd like to build our own dream home. Property CEO program in its entirety has given me the tools to really embrace that journey and enjoy it.
To start your property development journey, check out our free training by clicking the link below or visit propertyceo.co.uk/training.